Welcome to today's training session on evaluating large language models, or LLMs. In this video, we're going to explore how industry-leading benchmarks help us assess the quality of these powerful AI systems. We'll begin with an introduction to what benchmarks are and why they're so critical. Then we'll discuss the challenges in picking a good benchmark and review the various types available. Finally, we'll dive into the top 5 benchmarks used today and discuss what makes each one unique. Let's start with the basics. In the context of AI, a benchmark is a standardized test, a collection of datasets and tasks that allows us to measure and compare the performance of different language models. Benchmarks are like the SAT for LLMs. They offer consistent quantitative ways to assess skills such as language understanding, reasoning, and even code generation. However, picking the right benchmark isn't always straightforward. There are several challenges to consider. Relevance. The benchmark must align with the specific use case or domain in which the model will be deployed. Coverage. LLMs are multi-talented. Some benchmarks test general knowledge, while others are designed for niche tasks like coding or common sense reasoning. Saturation. As models improve, some benchmarks become saturated, meaning top models achieve near human performance and the test loses its discriminative power. Data contamination. It's essential that benchmark datasets remain fresh and unexposed during model training so that models aren't simply recalling answers from their training data. Benchmarks for LLMs generally fall into several types. Some are designed to test general language understanding, some focus on logical reasoning and common sense, while others evaluate more technical skills such as code generation or tool use. Today we're focusing on 5 of the most widely adopted benchmarks in the field. The first benchmark is MMLU, Massive Multitask Language Understanding. Overview. MLU comprises roughly 16,000 multiple-choice questions spanning 57 diverse subjects, from mathematics and science to history and law. Unique features. Its breadth and depth make it excellent for assessing general language understanding and factual recall across many domains. It's widely used to gauge whether models have acquired robust multidisciplinary knowledge. Next up is HumanEval. Overview. HumanEval is specifically designed to evaluate a model's ability to generate code. It presents around 164 programming challenges where the model must produce correct, executable code based on natural language problem descriptions. Unique features. This benchmark focuses on functional correctness using metrics such as pass at key and is instrumental in determining how well an LLM can convert instructions into reliable code solutions, making it a key test for models designed for programming assistance. Our third benchmark is HellaSwag. Overview. HellaSwag challenges models with common sense reasoning tasks. It presents a sentence along with multiple candidate endings and asks the model to select the one that makes the most sense. Unique features. By employing adversarial filtering to craft nearly deceptive wrong answers, HellaSwag pushes models to truly understand everyday context and nuance. This makes it a powerful tool for measuring a model's ability to perform natural language inference and apply common sense. The fourth benchmark we'll discuss is Big Bench Hard, often abbreviated as BBH. Overview. BBH is a subset of the larger Big Bench suite and focuses on the most challenging tasks, those on which even state-of-the-art models struggle. Unique features. BBH tests higher-level reasoning and multi-step problem solving, exposing the limitations of models that might excel on simpler tasks. It pushes the boundaries beyond pattern matching, requiring deeper logical inference and creativity. The fifth benchmark is the Berkeley Function Calling Leaderboard, or BFCL. Overview. BFCL is a newer benchmark that evaluates an LLM's ability to interact with external tools by calling functions. In real-world applications, models often need to decide not only what to say, but also whether to trigger a function or API call to complete a task. Unique features. By simulating scenarios where a model must detect when and how to use external resources, BFCL assesses a practical aspect of LLM deployment, tool usage. This is crucial as AI systems become more integrated with external processes and applications. Each of these benchmarks highlights a different facet of what it means for an AI model to be intelligent and useful. While MMLU tests broad knowledge, HumanEval zeroes in on coding skills. HellaSwag focuses on common sense reasoning, BBH on deep, challenging problem solving, and BFCL on real-world integration through function calling. In summary, understanding and selecting the right benchmark is key to developing and deploying high-quality language models. As LLMs evolve, so too must our methods of evaluation. These top 5 benchmarks offer a comprehensive look at the model's capabilities, from general understanding and reasoning to technical and applied skills. By keeping up with the latest in benchmark development, you can ensure that you're not only comparing models on an even playing field, but also pushing the boundaries of what these models can achieve. Thank you for joining me in this session. We hope this guide gives you a clearer picture of the current state of LLM evaluation and helps you choose the best tools for your own projects.